What's up, y'all? I'm at the beach right now, just chilling, soaking in the sun. I'm in Florida. It's definitely a move for me, but what I want to talk about is like, have you noticed that like, what's the four elements in life? Like, earth, fire, air, and water. They can all be like, I don't know if it's four elements, but just hear me out. It's like earth. That's the element, and like it can be tampered with. So you see nature getting cut down, and you see like the trees and all that stuff being touched. The ocean, like I'm pretty sure people polluting in the ocean, um, like plastic and all that stuff, on the animals and stuff like that. And then you think about the air, the factories. So if you think about it, people that's running this world is trying to take our they're trying to take our land from us, like, and pollute it. Like the air, you see all these buildings and factories that like pollute our air. And now just think of it. Think of this though. Oh, before I talk about this, think about this. Not our spirit. It's supposed to be like the fifth element, and like what we watch, what we eat, what we listen to, that could affect our spirit. And like think about like the celebrities who like sold their soul for fame and stuff. Like they got tricked into like sacrificing their spirit and they soul. So like that's supposed to be the fifth element. But think about the only thing that can't be tampered with, but only can like temporarily be blocked. I'm gonna give y'all a second to think about what that is. The sun. So now think about this. Like, why do people say it's so bad to like look into the sun and shouldn't be exposed to the sun for so long, when that's one of the purest forms of life. Like the sun can't be corrupted, like, it can't be tampered with. And I also say the moon too, in a way. But we're on the sun right now, so like the sun, like if you think about the sun, when the sun touches you, it's unconditional love. And I think that's the source. That's like our true selves. Like we're light beings and stuff. Like only way they can block the sun is with the clouds, and that's only temporary. So think about like how the sun that just is the source of everything. Like everything need energy. Like I don't know, if you think of it like a video game. Say like, let me see, I'm trying to think of a video game that I can make sense of. Alright, this might not be the best example, but it's what I'm thinking of right now. Like The Sims. You're a creative player in The Sims. And like the cheat codes is like you keep typing the cheat codes. Let's say the cheat code is the sun. You keep typing it in and you get unlimited or whatever you want. That's the key right there. Like, shout out to Buddha Zan, he a YouTuber. And like I watched his video and like I forgot what the video title was, but like he gave me some he changed my mindset with this. And it's like it's all about energy. Like the most energy that you have, the more you can attract things that you want into your life experience. So like think about the foods that you eat, and if you're eating dead foods, you're lowering your energy, and that's the reality you're gonna see, is whatever energy that you at. Now think about this. God, what was I about to say? Alright, I'm gonna keep touching on that though. So sun gazing wise, like yesterday I had experience, right? I was looking into the sun at the beach, and I guess like the real sun is black. So you're supposed to like look into the sun, and it's not something that you force. You gotta gain a relationship with the sun to be able to access that light and information. I've been doing it for like a year, not all the time, because like in New York, you know, it's not always sunny. So I do it when I can. But yeah, when you access information from the sun, like the black sun is the real sun. So you're supposed to look at it in your peripheral vision, and you'll see the sun turning black. And that's when you'll feel all the energy going through your body, and like you get all the nutrients and vitamin D and stuff, vitamin C or vitamin D, I forgot what it was, but you get all the stuff that you need. And it's just crazy. Like when I open my mind up more and more, it's like we can't take life serious. It's like this is something for me. Like I'm gonna go back to the astrology. I know I'm ranting, but I just feel like just sharing all this information. Like my Mercury in astrology is in Leo, so I guess like I'm quick to react to certain things. Like I'm fixed because Leo's fixed. I got fixed opinions on things, and like I'm learning to open up with my girlfriend because we got way different opinions. Like she's an Aquarius, so we like opposites. So I really gotta open my mind up more than I thought it was. Like there really is no facts in this world. There's really no facts. It's only your truth. Like facts is based on a perspective. If you think about it, like you can have proof that things adding up, but your truth can be slightly altered depending on like who you are. And like think about it. I won't see the world as you would see it because I'm not you. I'm at a different energy level. Like my past shaped how I perceive things. So there's really no facts in this world. So by you being open, you opening up your creativity and your imagination, and that's what life is about. We just gotta keep being open to like opinions. Like even if somebody talking about us, like saying, "Oh, you this way," and you feel like you're not that way, just listen. Because like you could apply it to yourself, or you could apply it you can help somebody else with what somebody's trying to say that you are. You can help somebody else. So it's like I'm just happy, and I'm on vacation. I feel like I really needed this vacation. Like just being more aware to things in this life. Like life really beautiful. Like look at the ocean, just like how the water is constant. Like it never stops moving, and that's just energy too. It's constant. It never stops. Just even the things that look still in a microscope, everything is still moving, and that's just crazy to learn. And I'm just trying to keep my mind open so I can learn from me, help my family, help you guys. I'm trying to just help out, and yeah. So that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to talk real quick. Feeling more inspired every day, and I just want to keep it up and keep inspiring more people. But yeah, I love you guys, and stay safe. And yeah, have a good day.